The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is a sleek, modern sedan that's perfect for anyone looking for a reliable, comfortable, and stylish car. Whether you're commuting to school, running errands, or going on a road trip, the Malibu offers great performance and a smooth driving experience. It's packed with advanced technology, safety features, and a design that makes it stand out on the road. In this video, we're going to be diving deep into what makes the 2025 Malibu such a popular choice, from its exterior design to the tech inside. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is a stylish, modern sedan that stands out on the road with its sleek, sporty design. This car combines sharp lines, smooth curves, and a bold look that's both elegant and powerful. Whether you're driving through the city or cruising down the highway, the Malibu catches the eye with its sophisticated exterior. One of the first things you'll notice about the Malibu is its sleek front grille. The grille has a smooth, wide design with chrome accents that give the car a bold, upscale appearance. The Chevrolet bow tie logo sits proudly in the center, adding a touch of classic Chevrolet style. The front end is low and wide, giving the Malibu a sporty stance while improving its aerodynamics, helping it glide through the air more efficiently. The headlights of the 2025 Malibu are another standout feature. They're sleek and modern, using LED technology to give the car a futuristic look. The lights have sharp, angular shapes that match the car's overall design, with bright beams that improve visibility while driving at night or in bad weather. The daytime running lights are also integrated into the front bumper, adding to the car's high-tech, sleek appearance. Moving along the sides of the Malibu, you'll see smooth, flowing lines that create a feeling of motion even when the car is standing still. These lines run from the front to the back, making the Malibu look fast and dynamic. The body of the Malibu has a refined, sculpted shape that adds to its premium look. The roofline is low and gently sloped, giving the car a coupe-like profile while still maintaining the practicality of a sedan. The 2025 Malibu also has large, stylish wheels that complete its sporty appearance. The rims come in various designs, with the higher trims featuring more polished and complex patterns. The wheels are set in wide wheel arches, which not only add to the car's aggressive look, but also give it a strong, stable stance on the road. These wheels are designed for both style and performance, making sure the car rides smoothly while also offering a solid grip on the road. At the back, the Malibu has a clean, polished look with sharp lines and a refined design. The rear features LED taillights that match the sleek design of the front headlights, with a modern horizontal layout that extends across the trunk. These lights give the Malibu a wider, more solid appearance. The rear bumper is low and sculpted, giving the car a sporty finish. The dual exhaust outlets on certain trims add an extra touch of performance style, making the car look even more powerful. The 2025 Malibu also features a spacious trunk with a wide opening, making it easy to load and unload items. The trunk is designed to balance practicality with the car's sleek, stylish design. Even with its sporty exterior, the Malibu still offers plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or whatever you need to carry. The 2025 Malibu has an interior that blends comfort, style, and the latest technology. It's a car that makes you feel at home, whether you're driving across town or on a long road trip. First, the seats are incredibly comfortable with high-quality materials that make you feel relaxed even during long drives. The front seats are adjustable, and in some models, you can even get heated and ventilated options to stay warm or cool no matter the weather. The back seats are spacious enough for adults to sit comfortably, making the Malibu a great car for families or carpooling with friends. Plus, there's plenty of leg room so no one feels cramped. The interior is designed with soft-touch materials and clean lines, giving it a sleek, modern look. Now, one standout feature is the cabin's quietness. The Malibu uses special soundproofing materials to keep outside noise to a minimum. This means you can enjoy a peaceful drive whether you're listening to music, chatting with friends, or just enjoying some quiet time. The cabin feels open and airy thanks to the large windows and a sunroof option, which lets natural light flood in. Now let's talk about technology. The 2025 Malibu comes with a touchscreen display that controls many of the car's features. It's easy to use and can be customized to fit your needs. The screen is intuitive, meaning you don't have to spend a lot of time figuring out how to use it. Whether you're adjusting the temperature, checking your navigation, or connecting your phone, everything is just a tap away. Speaking of phones, the Malibu offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means you can connect your smartphone to the car's system. This allows you to use your phone's apps directly on the touchscreen. You can play music, use navigation apps, send texts, or make calls, all without taking your hands off the wheel. Plus, with Bluetooth, you can make hands-free calls or stream music wirelessly, which makes driving safer and more convenient. The 2025 Malibu also offers a Wi-Fi hotspot, so passengers stay connected even on the go. This is perfect for road trips or long drives when you need to access the internet for work or entertainment. The 2025 Malibu offers a range of engine options designed to provide a smooth, powerful, and efficient driving experience. Chevrolet has worked hard to make sure the Malibu has engines that meet the needs of everyday drivers, whether you're commuting, running errands, or heading out on a road trip. The base engine of the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder. This engine is perfect for drivers who want a balance between performance and fuel efficiency. It provides about 160 horsepower and provides enough power for most driving situations. The turbocharger helps give the engine a boost, especially when accelerating or passing other vehicles on the highway. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, which ensures smooth and seamless acceleration. The CVT also helps the car save fuel by keeping the engine running at its most efficient speeds. If you're looking for a reliable option that's easy on your wallet at the gas station, well, the base engine is a great choice. Now, for drivers who want a little extra power under the hood, Chevrolet offers an upgraded engine option. This is a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces around 250 horsepower. It's perfect for those who enjoy a sportier driving experience or need more power for longer highway drives. The 2.0-liter engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This transmission shifts smoothly and helps the car deliver quick acceleration when you press the gas pedal. Whether you're merging onto a highway or climbing steep hills, this engine has the power to handle it with ease. No matter which engine you choose, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is designed to provide a comfortable and enjoyable ride. Both engine options feature advanced engineering that reduces noise and vibration, making the cabin a quiet and relaxing place to be. The Malibu also has responsive handling, so it feels smooth and steady, whether you're cruising down a straight road or navigating sharp turns. The car's suspension system is tuned to provide a good balance between comfort and control. Even with the more powerful 2.0-liter engine, the Malibu is easy to drive and feels stable on the road. With features like smooth transmissions and advanced performance features, the Malibu ensures a pleasant driving experience for everyone. Whether you're running errands or hitting the open road, the Malibu has the power and capability to get you there in style. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is designed to deliver a smooth and enjoyable driving experience with a solid performance and reliable capability. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the Malibu is built to handle everyday driving with ease. One of the highlights of the Malibu is its comfortable ride quality. The suspension system is finely tuned to absorb bumps and potholes, making your journey smooth even on uneven roads. This makes the Malibu a great choice for families or anyone who enjoys a relaxing ride. The steering is also precise and responsive, giving you confidence when turning corners or maneuvering through traffic. The Malibu's engines are designed to provide excellent acceleration. The 1.5-liter engine gives you enough power to merge into highways and overtake other vehicles with ease. For those who want a faster, more thrilling drive, the 2.0-liter engine takes things up a notch with quicker acceleration and higher top speeds. This engine option is great for drivers who want a little more excitement when hitting the open road. Now, despite the strong performance, the Malibu is also efficient, which means you can drive longer without having to stop for gas as often. The 1.5-liter engine is especially good for saving fuel, making it perfect for people who spend a lot of time on the road. The larger 2.0-liter engine offers more power but still manages to be relatively efficient for its size. The Malibu is built to handle a variety of road options. Its lightweight body and advanced suspension system allow it to remain stable and steady even at higher speeds. Whether you're driving on wet roads or winding through sharp curves, the Malibu's traction and stability systems work to keep you in control. While the Malibu is not designed for heavy-duty towing like a truck, it offers plenty of capability for daily needs. The spacious trunk can hold all your luggage for a weekend getaway, and the rear seats fold down to create even more space when needed. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or going on a long trip, the Malibu is up for the challenge. Its powerful engine options, smooth ride, and solid handling make it a dependable car for any situation. The car delivers a perfect balance of performance and capability. With its strong engine choices, smooth handling, and comfortable ride, it's a car that's ready to meet the needs of everyday drivers, while also providing a fun and enjoyable experience on the road. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is designed with safety as a top priority, offering a range of advanced features to protect both the driver and the passengers. Whether you're commuting to school, driving on the highway, or heading out on a family trip, the Malibu has technology to help keep you safe on the road. One of the standout safety features of the 2025 Malibu is the Chevrolet Safety Assist package, which comes standard on all models. So this package includes a variety of advanced safety technologies that work together to prevent accidents and reduce the risk of injury. One of the key features in this package is Forward Collision Alert. This system uses sensors to monitor the road ahead and can even warn you if you're getting too close to another vehicle. If the system detects an imminent collision, it can apply the brakes to help prevent or reduce the severity of an accident. Another important feature is automatic emergency braking. This works alongside the Forward Collision Alert to automatically slow or stop the car if the driver doesn't react quickly enough to an impending collision. This can be especially helpful in emergency situations when every second counts. The 2025 Malibu also comes with Lane Keep Assist with lane departure warning. If you begin to drift out of your lane without using your turn signal, the system will alert you with visual or audible warnings. If you don't take action, the system can gently steer the vehicle back into the lane to prevent an accident. This is a great feature for long drives, especially on highways where it's easy to get distracted. To help you stay aware of what's going on around your car, the Malibu features Rear Cross Traffic Alert. This system uses sensors to detect vehicles approaching from the side when you're backing out of parking spaces. It will give you an alert if something is coming, helping you avoid potential collisions when reversing. Additionally, the 2025 Malibu offers Blind Zone Alert. This feature uses radar to monitor your blind spots and will alert you if there is a vehicle in one of these areas. This is especially helpful when changing lanes on the highway or in heavy traffic. For extra protection in case of an accident, the Malibu is equipped with 10 airbags throughout the cabin. This includes front airbags, side impact airbags, knee airbags, and curtain airbags that deploy in the event of a collision, helping to protect everyone in the car. The Teen Driver Mode is another great feature for families with younger drivers. It allows parents to set limits on the car's speed and volume and provides a report card of the teenager's driving habits. This helps parents keep track of how their teen is driving and encourage safer driving behaviors. Finally, the rear view camera is a standard feature in the 2025 Malibu, offering a clear view of what's behind you when reversing. Combined with parking sensors, it helps make parking and backing out of tight spaces much easier and safer. So with all those safety features, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is designed to help you prevent accidents, protect the people inside, and give you peace of mind on the road. Whether you're a new driver or an experienced one, this car has the technology to keep you safe at every turn. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is a stylish and practical sedan that's designed to compete in the highly competitive mid-size car market. It's aimed at drivers who want a reliable, comfortable car that offers good value for money without breaking the bank. The Malibu is mainly aimed at people who don't want to spend too much money on a car but still want something reliable, stylish, and packed with features. This makes it a great option for first-time car buyers, families, or anyone who needs a dependable vehicle for daily commutes. However, it faces strong competition in the midsize sedan market. One of the biggest competitors is the Toyota Camry. The Camry has been a top seller for years thanks to its reputation reputation for reliability, comfort, and solid resale value. It's also known for its smooth ride and advanced safety features. The Toyota Camry is often seen as a go-to choice for families or anyone looking for a vehicle that they can trust for the long term. Another strong competitor is the Honda Accord. The Accord is known for its sporty feel while still offering the comfort and practicality of a midsize sedan. It has a reputation for being fun to drive with quick acceleration and responsive handling. Like the Camry, the Accord offers a lot of features, including excellent safety technology and an efficient engine. The Honda Accord also has a long-standing reputation for quality and reliability, which makes it a popular choice among buyers. The Hyundai Sonata is another competitor in this space. The Sonata has been gaining attention for its sleek, modern design and affordable price. It also comes with a lot of high-tech features, including a user-friendly infotainment system and advanced driver assistance features. The Sonata's stylish looks and impressive warranty make it a great option for buyers looking for something a little different from the typical sedans on the market. Then there's the Nissan Altima, which also competes in the same segment. The Altima offers a comfortable and spacious interior along with a reputation for a smooth and quiet ride. It's available with all-wheel drive, which is something that sets it apart from other sedans in its class. The Altima's available turbocharged engine provides a good balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it an appealing choice for buyers who want something both efficient and powerful. So overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu competes with well-established models in a crowded market. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is expected to hit the roads anytime in 2025, bringing exciting updates and features to one of Chevy's most popular sedans. While the exact launch date may vary depending on location, you can look forward to seeing this car in dealerships around the end of the year. It's an anticipated release, especially with all the new upgrades and technology Chevrolet has packed into this model. Now, as for its price, the 2025 Malibu will be priced competitively within its class. You can expect the base model to start around $25,000. For higher trim levels like the Premier or RS, the price will go up, possibly reaching up to $35,000 or more, depending on the options you choose. This makes the 2025 Malibu an affordable choice for those looking for a stylish, reliable, and efficient sedan without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for a family car, a commuter vehicle, or something that looks sharp on the road, the 2025 Malibu delivers on all fronts. Make sure to keep an eye out for its release later this year. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu offers a great mix of style, performance, and technology. It's a car that's built to be practical for everyday use while still offering modern features and comfort. Whether you're looking for safety, fuel efficiency, or just a smooth ride, the Malibu has something for everyone. It's definitely a car worth considering if you're in the market for a sedan. Let us know what you think about the 2025 Malibu in the comments below.